A civil authority has issued a local area emergency for Wyoming, New York, beginning at 11:02 am and ending at 12:02 pm. Message from EPSCAP. The Varysburg Water District is under a boil water order and water conservation alert as of 10:30 am on Tuesday, October 25, 2022, which will remain in effect until further notice. For more information, https://www.wyomingco.net/alert center. ASCAID equals boil water order and water conservation. 39 additional information will be available on the Wyoming County website at www.wyomingco.net.